Expert advice on how to make money online. When you wish to make money online, you may be thinking of it because you want to get paid well. It can also just be something you want to do to help you get a few extra bills paid. Whatever the case may be, this video can guide you through this. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. Take paid surveys online if you want to make some extra cash on the side. Market research companies will want to get as much consumer feedback as possible, and these surveys are a great way to do this. Surveys may range anywhere from 5 cents to $20 depending on the type you do. If you'd like to make money online, try thinking outside the box. While you want to stick with something you know and are capable of doing, you will greatly expand your opportunities by branching out. Look for work within your preferred genre or industry, but don't discount something simply because you've never done it before. Sign up to become a mystery shopper. This is a great way to make money as you will have to shop at various places and take notes on your shopping experience. When you are finished, you will have to write up a report on the computer, which you will be compensated for. Remember, making money online is a long-term game. Nothing happens overnight when it comes to online income. It takes time to build up your opportunity. Don't get frustrated. Work at it every single day, and you can make a big difference. Persistence and dedication are the keys to success. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways that you can make money online in your spare time. This type of marketing means that you will sell other people's stuff and get paid a commission when you do. There are all types of items that you can sell depending on your style. Get paid to review some of the new products that are out on the market today. This is a great way for companies to determine if their new products are a hit or miss, as they will pay good money to get an opinion on them. Get the word out on these products and pull in the cash. Try doing some surveys online. You will not make as much money as you would with some other types of online work. These surveys usually do not take long, and they usually just ask for your opinion. If you join a legitimate survey site, those cents can quickly add up to some extra cash. Getting paid money to work online isn't the easiest thing to do in the world, but it is possible. If this is something you wish to work with, then the tips presented above should have helped you. Take some time, do things the right way, and then you can succeed. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.